The equation of a line through the midpoint of the sides AB and AD of rhombus ABCD, whose one diagonal is 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0 and one vertex 3 comma 1 is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. We have to find out the absolute values of a plus b plus c. So we have drawn a rhombus. The sides AB and AD, midpoints are E and F, and EF equation is represented in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. We have to find out the absolute values of a plus b plus c. So we know the coordinates of a are 3 comma 1. So what is our approach to solve this problem? Now first we will try to find out what is the equation of BD. If we know equation of BD, then we know equation of EF, because EF and BD are parallel to each other. And also G is midpoint of A and X. Now how to find out X? Find out both the diagonals, find out their point of intersection, you get X. And G is midpoint of AX. So you know slope of EF, you know point G coordinates, then you can easily find out the equation of EF. So first let us check what is the diagonal given to us, whether it is AC or BD. Now since A is not satisfying the given diagonal, we know that given diagonal is BD. Now we know diagonal BD equation is 3x minus 4y plus 5 is 0. So AC equation will be, we know AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. So it will be switch of coefficients with sign, opposite sign. So it will be 4x plus 3y plus k equals to 0. And AC passes through the point 3 comma 1. So we can substitute that to find out the value of k, and by doing that we will get k equals to minus 15. So the equation of AC is 4x plus 3y minus 15 equals to 0. Now we know the equation of BD as 3x minus 4y plus 5 is 0, and we also know equation of AC is 4x plus 3y minus 15 is 0. Why can't we find out the point of intersection of AC and BD so that we can get the coordinates of x? Now AC is 4x plus 3y minus 15 is 0, and BD equation is 3x minus 4y plus 5 is 0. You can solve this by any one of the methods: substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. When you do that, we can find out the coordinates of x. Now we will solve this with elimination method. So I will try to eliminate y now. To eliminate y, I'll multiply EC with 4 and BD with 3, then solve them to find out x value and y value or coordinates of capital X. 3x minus 4y plus 5 is 0, 4x plus 3y minus 15 is 0. We want to eliminate y here. So I'll multiply the first equation with 3 and the second equation with 4. Simplifying, we'll have 9x minus 12y plus 15 is 0, and 16x plus 12y minus 60 equals to 0. Let us simplify that. We will have 25x equals to 45, or x equals to 1.8. By substituting x equals to 1.8 in any one of the diagonals, we can get y equals to 2.6. Now the coordinates of x are 1.8 comma 2.6. Now we know that in triangle ABD, E and F are midpoints. So by midpoint theorem, we know EF is parallel to BD. If EF is parallel to BD, then the equation of EF will be same as that of BD with a constant K. We know equation of BD is 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0. Therefore, equation of EF will be 3x minus 4y plus k equals to 0. Now, we need to find a point on EF, or to be specific, we need to find out the coordinates of G so that we can find the value of k in 3x minus 4y plus k equals to 0. Slope of EF is slope of BD. So the equation of EF, it's not BD actually, it is equation of EF, which is 3x minus 4y plus k equals to 0. Now let's try to find out the coordinates of G so that we can substitute in EF and we can get the equation of EF. Now if we consider the triangle ADX or AXD, we know E is midpoint of AD and we know EF is parallel to BD. So by converse of midpoint theorem, we will have G as midpoint of AX. We can use either midpoint theorem or we can use converse of BPT. So we get G as midpoint of A and X. We can use midpoint formula and find out the coordinates of G. A is 3 comma 1 and X is 1.8 comma 2.6. Therefore, coordinates of G will be x1 plus x2 by 2, 3 plus 1.8 divided by 2, comma 1 plus 2.6 divided by 2, which is equal to 2.4, comma 1.8. Now let us substitute this in equation of EF. Will be having 3x minus 4y plus k equals to 0. Substitute 2.4 comma 1.8. We will get k equals to 0. So the equation of EF is 3x minus 4y equals to 0. Comparing this with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, we can see that a is 3 and b is minus 4 and c equal to 0. What we need to find out is absolute value of a plus b plus c. So that will be absolute value of 3 minus 4 plus 0, that is absolute value of minus 1, which is equal to 1. So the answer what we need is 1. Let's have a recap of this problem. We have been given that ABCD is a rhombus and coordinates of A are 3 comma 1. E and F are midpoints of AD and AB respectively. We also know one diagonal as 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0. We have been asked to find out the equation of EF. So First we checked whether the given diagonal is AC or BD by substituting 3, 1. We understood that diagonal is BD. Now we know since E and F are midpoints, we know EF is parallel to BD. EF is parallel to BD. We can do that by midpoint theorem, or you can use similar triangles concept. EF is parallel to BD. So we know slope of EF is equal to slope of BD. So the equation of EF will be 3x minus 4y plus k equals to 0. Now we can easily find out the equation of AC once we know the equation of BD and we know the point A, as slope of AC will be negative reciprocal of slope of BD, because AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. So we got equation of AC, we got equation of BD. We solved them to find out the coordinates of x. And then we can clearly see that G is midpoint of A and X. So by using midpoint formula, we got the coordinates of G. Now we can go back to equation of EF, whatever we have, 3x minus 4y plus k equals to 0. We can substitute the coordinates of G, that is 2.4, 1.8, to find out the value of k. So we know the equation of EF is 3x minus 4y plus 0 equals to 0. Comparing this with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, we can see that a equals to 3, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to 0. So the absolute value of a plus b plus c is equal to 1. So that is one interesting problem I just thought of sharing with you. Please do let me know your feedback. Thanks for your time and support. I'll catch you once again with another interesting example. Till then, keep smiling and sharing. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Be safe. Bye for now.